As the frequencies are rising on Earth, you will feel changes in your physical and emotional body. In the beginning, your body will free himself from all disturbing energies. And this time, you want to sleep a lot. Later, you feel more energy in your body and you need only less sleep. The light body gets activated. Sometimes you will hear sounds in your ear because the body is adjusting to the higher frequencies. The pineal gland between your eyes is stimulated and you begin to see etheric energy. You will have the wish for a healthy body in order to hold this high energy. In the emotional body, all unsolved blockades are coming out so you can free yourself from old ballast. Spiritual people can recognize this and therefore they are developing faster. People with ego don't recognize this. They want to keep their ego in masks. They stay arrogant and are insulting spiritual people. When you are vibrating higher, you will see changes in your surrounding area. Wrong people will leave or will attack you because their ego is afraid of the divine light of the truth. With a higher love frequency in your body, you start to be intuitive and you are listening to your higher self, not to your lower self. You pay attention to your thinking, talking and doing. You are using the qualities of your soul, real love, wisdom, beauty, joy and real intelligence. Love vibrations open the way to the higher knowledge. Light and love are the keys into the higher dimensions, not intellectual data in your head. Living spirituality in your daily life, not only reading about it. Knowledge without love is empty and limited. Spiritual light has an awareness. It has informations from higher dimensions. So it is always important to use light in your meditations. And you can charge this light with a quality. Here's a little meditation that you can always use. Create with the power of your thoughts a light column that is connecting your body with the universe. When you breathe in, attract the energy of the universe down into your body and charge the light with these words. Love of the universe. Wisdom of the universe. Knowledge of the universe. Charge yourself with these energies and feel the power they have. Be one with the cosmic energy. Become a light. Become love. Love is the solution for everything. The meaning of life is to have love in your heart.